How to change your Google account email address. First things first is open up your Google web browser and then just simply type in myaccount.google.com. Now you will be redirected to your Google account homepage. If you have not logged in yet, just make sure that you're currently logged into your account. So we all know that if you head straight into personal info field, you won't be able to just simply change your current email address, even if there's just one incorrect letter or character that you mistakenly type in. So what you want to do for this to work, alternatively, is just head straight into the email section below the contact info. Now go to the bottom part of these options, and then here what you can do instead of changing it is just to simply to add an alternate email address. So the email address that you will be adding is just basically the correct email or the specific email where you will be changing that address into. Now, you're gonna be doing or you're gonna be using one single account but has an alternative email address on the same single account. So that's pretty much it. Those are your last resort or last options for you to be able to change your Google account email address.